What if I told you you could generate amazing designs like this by using a single prompt? So let me show you Canva's latest AI magic. Hello guys, my name is Soham. I am a Canva verified expert. So Canva just dropped amazing, insane new update in Canva Create 2025. So I'm gonna show you how you can create eye-catching design by using two of them. So let's get into it. So as the first step of this video, we need an image, and we will not gonna use any kind of Canva image library images or stock photos. We will generate an amazing image by using Canva's latest AI feature, create an image. So all you have to do is just go into the Canva, and here you will see the new UI of the Canva, which is gonna launch Canva Create 2025. So all you have to do is just select this Canva AI here and enter your prompt by selecting this create an image feature. So here I have couple of prompts in my prompt book. If you need this prompt book, you can check out the description link where you will get this amazing prompt book. It will contain amazing prompt which will definitely help you if you are a designer or someone who is want to generate amazing images. So I'm just selecting here and copy this prompt and paste it over here. You can also provide any kind of style reference if you have any particular image. We will explore this feature later into this video. So first, my prompt is like a stylish female woman wearing a trendy sunglass standing in natural sunlight with a blurry city street or beach background. Highly fashionable editorial vibes, close-up portraits, dramatic lighting, solo depth of field, professional photoshoot style. So this is my prompt. So you can just click on this button over here by selecting the aspect ratio. And if you have any style suggestion, you can definitely choose that as well. So I'm gonna choose this default, like it will pick the best one for views. So if you want, you can choose this cinematic one. In this video, we are generating an images for a sunglass company, and then we will create an amazing social media creatives for them. So these are the images generated by the AI, and by default the size is 16:9. So this is the image looks really amazing. If you want to upscale this by just clicking here, you can upscale this particular image. So I'm gonna download this image and let's generate some consistent result based on this image. So just select this image, click on add media and click on here upload files and just select this image, whatever you have generated now. So you can see here you have your image. So just select this image and click on use image and enter the same prompt again, whatever you have entered based on that. And you can also choose the different aspect ratio. So just click on this. So it will generate some consistent level which you can use in your different kind of images. So let's wait and see what it will generate with some consistent styling feature. So as you can see here, it's a bit consistent, all the images, whatever the style reference we have provided. So this image looks very professional and great. So I'm just clicking on this upscale feature. So based on it, it will upscale my image and add more detailing and sharpness. Yeah, so this is looking really amazing. So I'm just click on download. So now I have my image. So let's move to the next step of this video to generate amazing designs by using Canva's AI. So in this step 2, we will generate amazing creatives by using Canva's AI again. So all you have to do is just select this Canva AI feature again, and now you can choose this design for me. And here you can see you need to enter your prompt. So I have again go to my prompt book over here, and here is my prompt. So I can just copy this prompt and paste it into my Canva AI, and I can able to add my image. So I'm just selecting this and upload my image. So I'm just adding this image because I want the Canva AI to use this particular image while designing something. So my prompt for the AI is create a design featuring a promotional Instagram post for a stylish sunglass brand, highlighting a summer discount offer and showcase a model wearing a sunglass, using a bold and modern layout with a sunny and warm vibe. So you can see, and if you want to be specific, you can see the select social media and format. I'm gonna choose Instagram post. So just click on this submit, else you can just hit enter. So it will start working on your prompt and it will generate something really amazing which gonna shock you. Boom, Here we have our images generated by the Canva AI latest update. So you can see these are really amazing images with the single prompt we have generated. So this is the summer sale offer, and this design looks really amazing to me. So you can also change the different kind of colors. You have the different option. So for the summer vibe, I will use a bit natural. So yeah, you can also, if you want to change the image, if you want to edit particular text, then you can definitely use this button, use Canva editor. So it will open your image into the Canva design editor. So now you can make any kind of changes you like. So I'm just going back here, and you can see here we have the different kind of options. So you can use, if you are not satisfied with the result, you can generate the different images as well. You can just click on this more designs, and it will start working on your prompt again, and it will generate the more option which you can able to put. So this one is also looks really amazing, and just restyle it according to our brand colors. So now in a one single prompt you are able to design the entire color changed. Now click on close, and you can also provide some different suggestion, like just may add summer colors. So it's kind of a ChatGPT of a design editor. So it will start working on your prompt again, and within a few seconds it will generate amazing results which is having the summer color vibes, because this is the image for the summer offer. This kind of stuff you can do without opening Canva's design editor inside the Canva. So let's generate few more designs and see. So as you can see here, we have the different version in the summer colors according to whatever we have asked for. So like that you can also generate this amazing stuff with a single prompt. So just try it, the amazing Canva AI latest feature. These tools are seriously game changer for the marketers and the creator. But remember, your prompting skills is key. So when you describe your idea well, Canva will do the rest. So now you can create anything with a single idea and give your ideas to life. So if you like this video, you can definitely give a thumbs up to this video, which motivates us to create amazing content for you all. And if you have any kind of suggestion of in which I need to create a video, you can definitely drop into the comments. So till then, take care of yourself, tata and bye bye. See you into the next amazing video. And wait, if you need a prompt book, then definitely check out the description. You will definitely love this amazing prompt book. So check out the description now.